Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today I would like to show you how I do a simple wheel swap. I found today in the local store these cars. One is the Nova Gasser wagon, a car I really like, but I don't think the wheels fit too perfect to this car. And I found this one, and I noticed that this has I think the same wheel size, and I would like to see how it looks with these steely design wheels with this golden chrome ring. So let's first take these cars apart. For taking cars apart I use my battery screwdriver, and first I drill the hole for the upcoming screws to put this car together again, and let's do this first. And I only drill these 1.5mm holes in the car I want to keep. The second car will be only a donor car for the wheels. So I think it's deep enough. Yes, must be deep enough. So after this I take a 3mm drill to do this, to erase the post end to open the car. So this was this. Let's see if yes, it opens pretty simple. One is taken apart, so let's go over to the second one, and this car, as I already mentioned, I won't pre-drill a hole for the screws. I just take it apart, because I will only use it for the wheels. I don't think it's enough. A little bit more. Good. Yes, that's it. So, for taking the axles and wheels, I just use a flathead screwdriver and open these, how can I call it, these flaps, and then I take these axles, so one axle and the second one. So let's see, this one just one axle. Maybe I will use these wheels from the Gasser for another car in the future, but I just don't know for what car I could use them. So I put in the new axles and the fit. Let's see. Okay. And yeah, I just push down a little bit this nose and this should be enough. So let's see now how this gasser looks with these wheels. Yes, and I think it's not bad. It's a little bit better than the others, but yeah, it's okay. Good. So that was an easy wheel swap. How I do it. The next step is only to put in these screws. I just screw it with a little pressure and it's all I do, and it's inside and holds the chassis at the base. Yes, and the second screw can also put in. These are M2 torx screws with a length of 5 millimeters. Yes, and that's it. That's the wheel swapped gasser. If you have any questions or comments, please write down below, and see you again next time. Bye bye!